everyone, Uncle Jojo.
And Pete.
We have been absolutely and utterly inundated with people wanting to get into our Introduction to Carpentry course.
Fortunately, it's Introduction to Carpentry, not literacy, so we're good.
We are absolutely loving it, and so are our students.
But quicker.
Quick.
We've got time over the holidays. We're doing it over 3 days.
And if you are a student, best time for you to get into it. You get an awesome offer at the moment if you can book in before Christmas with 20% off.
Madness, mate. I've got to pay for my Christmas.
Madness! As mad as my hair!
Yeah, okay, good. 19th, 20th, 21st of Jan. Book in. When you do it, enter the word accelerate.
Accelerate?
Accelerate.
Sounds like my billy cart course.
Good. So, book in. It's 8 hours a day. We're going to start with hand tools. Power tools.
That's not psycho.
Saws. No, not at all. It's all grouse. Book in.
And we'll make some saw horses and some other bits and pieces.
Cool. You will learn from basic construction to cutting straight, measuring, putting in nails, putting in screws, and then we're going to power tools.
Don't forget my favourite part of the subject, timber technology.
Enjoy that.
Thanks for watching and...
Stay awesome.
Stay unreal, banana peel.
Oh.
We'll see you in the suit.
Oh, whatever.